Work smarter. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve.
Stuck on a single line error that's killing your ML model? You're not alone. 90% of beginners quit after the first gradient descent crash. Meet TensorTonic, the LeetCode for machine learning. It turns cryptic math and buggy code into bite-sized challenges you can actually solve. Here's how it works. First, progressive math modules start with linear algebra, then dive into backpropagation, all with interactive visualizers that animate tensors in real time. You watch matrices multiply, gradients flow, and you see exactly where the computation breaks down. Second, hands-on coding labs pair each concept with a sandbox problem. Write PyTorch or TensorFlow code, press run, and receive instant feedback just like a coding interview. The system highlights syntax errors, mismatched dimensions, and even suggests alternative layer configurations. Third, research-ready challenges let you tackle real-world papers, from generative adversarial networks to transformers. Step-by-step hints keep you from drowning in equations while you reproduce key results and experiment with hyperparameters. Fourth, a leaderboard and streak system turns learning into a friendly competition. Earn badges for completing modules, climb the global ranking, and watch your skill curve spike as you unlock harder puzzles. Fifth, the smart review engine remembers every mistake. Missed a gradient sign? The engine surfaces similar problems until the pattern clicks, reinforcing the concept until it sticks. All you need is a browser, a curiosity for AI, and a willingness to fail fast and learn faster. No installation, no heavy hardware, just instant access to a growing library of challenges updated weekly. Additionally, TensorTonic offers a personalized learning pathway that adapts to your performance. After each quiz, the system analyzes which topics you mastered and which need reinforcement, then rearranges the upcoming modules to focus on weak spots. Real-time analytics display your accuracy rate, average solve time, and progression heatmap, giving you clear insight into where you improve fastest. For those seeking formal recognition, the platform issues digital certificates after completing milestone tracks such as Deep Learning Foundations or Production-Ready Model Deployment. These certificates can be added to your LinkedIn profile or resume to showcase verified expertise. A mobile-friendly version lets you practice on the go, syncing progress across devices so you never lose momentum. Finally, a weekly live stream workshop hosted by industry engineers walks through cutting-edge research papers, answering viewer questions live and demonstrating how to translate theory into production code. TensorTonic also integrates community discussion threads where you can compare solutions, ask for clarification, and share optimization tricks. The platform tracks your progress, generates a personalized study plan, and sends daily micro-lessons to keep the momentum going. Whether you are a student aiming for a research internship, a developer switching to AI, or a hobbyist building the next cool app, the platform scales with your ambition. Ready to level up your machine learning game? Hit the link in the description, start solving on TensorTonic now, and subscribe for more AI learning hacks. Comment below with the toughest bug you faced, and we'll feature a solution in the next video.